Well, I'm back. I posted a video, I think it was only last night, so it's not been up long, has it? About the issues I was having with a Amazon return printer bought secondhand. That's this one down here. Well, I bought that one with a little bit of guarantee that was at a drastically reduced price, prepared to take on some of the problems and with the possibility of it not working. And the good news that I can report is that spares are already on their way. And basically for the electronics part that has failed and has been burnt out, I think I mentioned it in the last video, spares are on the way for that driver, for the stepper motor. And so, that's excellent service from the guys, from the people. Well, the person's name is Alison, and the picture is of a female. So it could be a gal, as it were. Anyway, so the good news is that should be up and running as soon as I get those spares through and I can put it together. The other thing that I'll just say in passing, and in fact what I might do is just change the camera round, point at it, and I'll cover this with you.